In the materials overview video, I showed you how to use the object's display color to define the color of the legends. That was for single color or double shot style keycaps. Now let's cover another approach to the same problem, but with the added benefit of being able to color the full gamut as you'd find in printed legend keys. Back in Inkscape, let's first add some colors to our legends. These can be a simple graphic or something more complex. Now let's set the background so that we can export the image with transparency. This will have a larger file size, but will serve more than one function. The alpha is currently 100%, but we'll slide it down to 0. And to illustrate this, I'll enable the checkered background. Now let's export. Remember to click on Page. In Blender, I'll duplicate the image texture so we can use it again for our full color novelties. And I'll load up our new novelties. Now that we have that in Blender, let's have a look at the image texture. Here we go. We have a full color texture along with a transparent background. Remember I said that the legend mask needs to be a white on black image. If we look at the alpha or transparency channel, that's what we should find. Now if I take the alpha channel of this new image and plug it into the legend mask, it should be the same. Now let's get rid of our object info node and plug in the color from our new image into the legends. There we go.